Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to give you a quick look at these two products from Meori. This one is the foldable box in the mini size, and this is the reusable 2-cup carrier. I love them both. So let's take a look at this one first. It's reusable, it's lightweight, it folds down, which is going to make it easier to take with you maybe in the car or to the office or wherever you might want to go until you get your drinks. And then once you have your drinks, it just pops right open. So these are pretty big holes. So if you've got one or two of those big cups, they'll fit in here. But if you're carrying something smaller, it has these elastic bands so you can put smaller cups inside there and it will hold them steady. On the outside of one side, there's a little pocket that holds something of credit card size, or maybe a key fob or whatever, something small. On one side, it has this little elastic thing that would hold a straw in case you wanted to put a straw there. It currently comes in 3 colors. I may not always have all 3 colors on my site, but no matter what color you have, this is nice. And then the mini foldable box. I have to say, I am a sucker for small boxes of this size because I don't know why, I just am. The packaging says it will hold up to 11 pounds, and on the back it gives you all kinds of ideas for how you can use it. I am kind of excited about this one where it shows that you can use it to hold napkins and silverware, you know, for a party. That's a really good idea. But anyway, it'll hold a variety of things, and this is how it works. You open it up, you take the little hard bottom and put it down in place. That holds the box open. Inside there is a mesh pocket just on one side that has an elastic top so you can put things in. And I'm thinking about this. If I did use it for silverware, I would probably put napkins to one side or the other, and then I'd put in maybe a couple of small glasses or small boxes to hold the silverware upright. It would work. It's a really good idea. And then when you're done with it, you just take it by the handle, pull the bottom up, collapse the box, and there you go. Stores nice and flat. I hope you have enjoyed a closer look at these two products from Meori. I appreciate you taking your time, and thank you for watching.